Welcome to the session.
Under India's BRSR Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting Framework, Principle 6, businesses should respect and make efforts to protect and restore the environment. Essential indicator question number 7 asks the companies to disclose details about their greenhouse gases emissions, including Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions, along with their emissions intensity. Ever wondered what companies mean when they talk about Scope 1 emissions? Let's break it down simply.
Scope 1 emissions are the direct greenhouse gases released from activities a company controls, like burning fuels in its own vehicles, machines, or boilers.
These are emissions produced on site from burning fuels in company vehicles, running boilers in factories, or operating generators. Scope 1 emissions are measured in metric tons of CO2 equivalent. This unit represents the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted, converted into the equivalent amount of carbon dioxide based on their global warming potential. Think of it this way. If your company is directly burning fuel and releasing carbon dioxide or methane into the air, that's Scope 1. Let's take some examples. Delivery trucks using diesel, industrial plants burning coal or natural gas, refrigeration systems leaking greenhouse gases. These emissions are the most straightforward to measure because they come from sources your business directly owns or manages.
Companies report Scope 1 emissions as part of their carbon footprint and ESG reporting. Reducing them often involves switching to cleaner fuels, improving energy efficiency, or using electric vehicles. This is how Reliance Industrial Infrastructure Limited discloses their Scope 1 and 2 emissions in the BRSR report under Principle 6, Question 7. So the next time when you hear about Scope 1, remember, it's all about the direct emissions your company produces.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such updates from Regeneva.